Okay, back to the lab. Now we're back here to the VMs. We are going to create an instance. Okay, create instance. Let's give it a name. All right, I'm gonna leave it west east 1 3. For a series, I'm gonna leave E2. Machine type. E2 standard 4. For advanced, that's going to networking. I'm gonna put the private net here. So it has a subnet. Done. So I want to add another interface. Management net. Done. I want to add another one. I'm gonna put my network and my network. Okay, let's create. So this has all the networks. Okay, so right here we're going to click on NICO, NIC0. And it shows us the private subnet, US. Okay. And you can change to 1 here, the other, you can see the primary internal IP address changes. So we are back there to this VM here. We're going to SSH. And to authorize. Okay. I'm going to check here if config. And now I'm going to ping all the internal IP addresses. Since I added all the network interfaces. Let's get the private net US VM internal. Private net US VM internal. By the way, I'm gonna get them all here. One by one. So these. Then I'm going to get the ping directly by the alias. Private net US 0 packet loss. I'll get the. So first I get this IP address, and after I get the alias. And I'm going to do for the management US. So let me get this information. So right here, we can ping. Holy shit! No, wait. Let me do it different. First the IP address, I cut off. And after the alias, Name or service is unknown. It should get. That's enough. But I could ping the private net US VM. Let's see the difference. They're in the same network, that's the only difference. Okay, no problem. And I'm going to ping. Remember, I have the mynet UVM. mynet UVM. Let me get the IP address, and they are in different networks also. First, I will ping with the name. Doesn't know. They have different network. That's okay. And now with the IP, internal IP address. That works. They have the same network. You can ping by the alias. But in the case they had the packet loss, we didn't add mynet. We added the private net and management net. Okay. This doesn't work because in a multiple interface, we have a multiple interface here. We get a route for the subnet. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the routing, IP routing. So it depends. It depends really in the how can I say, the instance get a single default route that associated with the primary interface, okay? Unless you manually configure that. So that's why for the same subnet, it didn't, for the same network, it didn't get it. So if I now I'm going to try to ping from VM appliance, an internal IP address of my, okay, we're pinging them all. So let's ping this of management US, the only one on the management net. So on the management net, that works. The only one we can't is what they're in the different network. And in a different zone, okay, in a different zone. They are in a different zone. So this is in a different zone. This IP address here is a different zone. So in this case, the different zone, it doesn't work out. Only the ones that are in US East 1C. So one network can have how many zones you would like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.